How to draw a trend line here? First select two lows which are in the ascending path. I will take this low and I will take this low and I will draw one line touching those two lows. Then I will get a trend line. This is a trend line. And I will draw from here another trend line. This is another supporting trend line. I can draw another trend line from this place. This is one type of trend line which acts as a support. And I will draw another trend line which acts as a resistance. I will take the high. I will touch another high and I will draw another trend line like this. This acts as a resistance. Control like this also. This is resistance trend line. You can draw a trend line on the descending side. That is touching the highs. Here the highs are falling. You can draw a trend line touching the lows also. Like this. By touching these two lows, I get another trend line which acts as support.